is the second follow-up video for the Zoho CRM Wizards. A week ago, I released one video about the Zoho CRM Wizards, and this is going to be the second one. In this session, we are going to concentrate on how call center representatives are going to work with the Zoho CRM Wizards. I can tell you that from my experience, when you work with call center representatives, you will hire and fire call center representatives all the time, which means you cannot really base your business on people that understand what they're going to say. It needs to be based on scripts that they are going to read out of the screen. The main problem is that you will have one screen that will have your scripts and a different screen to grab the information, and therefore it's a little bit difficult for the call center representative to jump from one window to another. In the Zoho CRM Wizards, Zoho solved this problem for you, and I will show you how it works. So I am going to continue exactly from the same place that we've been in the previous week. So if you missed this video, you can go ahead and go to the previous video. We are going to the first screen of the wizard, and instead of just having the information that we need to retrieve from our client, we are going to the component section and we are going to grab here a text field. Now the text field can have text, which means a script, but it also can be customized based on the data that you have on the lead. Lots of call centers will have a database of information, and the call center representatives are calling based on that. So you can pull information from the lead module and you can push it here, which is very cool. For example, the script will say, hello, first name. Okay. Please let me know how can I make your day better. Okay, and of course it can go on and on and on. This is just an example. You can also have instructions, and the instructions might be ask for stock symbol, and if the stock symbol exists, ask for the account name. Okay, so you can also have here different instructions. Now let's save that and let's go back to our wizard. So on the first page you can see that I have here hello, but there is nothing here, and that's because this field is empty. But when you will have something in this field, you will see that the script will be filled with more information. Usually with cold calls or call centers, you will have this detail in advance. So the problem that I have right now will not be in real life scenario. Okay, and whenever I will have here, of course, the ticker symbol, then the account name will show up, which is matching exactly what we're asking from our call center. So this is a great way to operate with call center representatives, salespeople, people that really need to base their information and their knowledge based on scripts. And because the screen is split between data entry and instructions, it's making things much easier and also not requiring the company to buy two screens for their employees. Very cool. So that's what I wanted to show you in this session. If you like the session, thumbs up is always appreciated. I will see you in the next session.